Hello, Mzansi. Tirelo did a Q&A on Instagram, and I thought that let me just share with you because I saw some interesting questions and answers. So the first question goes like this: how long have you been in a relationship with Mpumelelo? A year and 9 months. 9 months later, they have a baby boy. Ni right esithembini konke kuhamba kahle sana, si happy. How would you feel if Mpumelelo gets girlfriend number 3? I would lose my mind, kadlala. But he made it clear that he wants 7 colors, so I am ready and I will be okay. How is it like to share a man? Is pity sendo. Guys, please bear with me. I am not Zulu. I'm trying. Favorite picture of you and Vuyo? Y'all can't just ask answers in jail, so that's the picture of the sister wives. Are you willing to ride and die with Mpumelelo Mseleku till forever? Listen, that's the hill I am dying on. How does it feel knowing he loves Vuyo more than you? Did he really tell you that, Kanti? Favorite picture of you and Mpumi? Couple goals. How long have you been with Spindu when you met Vuyo? 6 months in the relationship. So I guess this picture shows that this is the time that they met together. Would you ever leave your baby with Vuyo for a week? Yep. How do you feel knowing that you didn't name your child? I mean, your first. I'm okay. I still don't know what I would name him. Please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any more gossip. Bye bye.